Hello and welcome back to Today We Craft. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hot water bottle cover. Now I don't know if you guys have noticed, but it is cold. I mean really cold. And somehow I seem to have misplaced my hot water bottle. So I've bought another one. Ooh, double ribbed for a lady's comfort. But it has no cover on it. So we're going to really quickly whip up a hot water bottle cover to stop me from getting burnt. Start off by drawing around your hot water bottle, leaving a 1-inch spacer. Leave 1.5 inches across the neck of the hot water bottle. Once you've drawn around your hot water bottle, simply connect the dots to create your template. Folding it in half guarantees symmetry. Cut out your template using scissors suitable for paper and not fabric. Make 2 marks on your template. One about 3/4 up the length of the body of your hot water bottle, and the other one about halfway. Mine are 9 inches and 6 inches from the base. By doing this, we can use the one template to create the 3 individual pieces that we need to construct our hot water bottle. Start off by folding along the 2 lines. Once folded, these will create the top and bottom pieces of our template. You can see here in this illustration, the 2 half pieces will be overlapping in the middle by approximately 3 inches, but this will depend on the size of your hot water bottle. For this project, I'm going to be using an iron-on quilted interfacing, as well as some brush cotton that I'm going to give a quick iron to make it nice and flat. Cut out enough of the brush cotton for the 3 pieces of your template. Then secure it to the interfacing using an iron. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for the correct heat. Fold your template so just the bottom part of the template is visible. Place this on your fabric and cut along this top edge. You don't need to worry about cutting out the rest of the template at this stage. Turn over your fabric and fold back the edge, leaving a 1-inch seam allowance. Secure this with quilter's clips or pins and run through your machine. Lay the back part of your template face down on a table. Then place the bottom part of the template on top of that and the top on top of that. If you want to create a buttonhole, do so in the top part of the template now. Lay your template on top of your fabric and using either tailor's chalk or a water-soluble pen, draw around the template. Attach all 3 layers together using pins. Now we're going to sew all the way around on this line. Take care of going through the thicker sections. I recommend slowing your machine's speed setting down for this part. If you're enjoying this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. I can make a lot of things, but I can't make this channel grow without your help. Trim away all of the excess fabric. If you like, you can tidy up the edges by using bias binding or some fabric tape. Do this by lining it up with the edge and running it through your machine. Trim off any excess again. Fold the tape over the edge of your hot water bottle and secure to the other side. Again, you can run this through your machine, keeping as close to the edge as possible. Alternatively, you can hand stitch this last part. And that's your hot water bottle cover completed. These make absolutely fantastic gifts for adults or children. You can use any sort of fabric that you like and any type of quilting material as well. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to take your support to the next level, you can now send a super thanks. It's a fantastic way to contribute and to show some extra love. Your super thanks directly supports the channel, allowing me to create even more content that you love. I appreciate every bit of support that you give. Don't forget to subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!